Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Due to Corona, everyone is interested to go for local sightseeing than long distance traveling. During this time, I have explored some local sightseeing places in Kerala and Tamil Nadu states, on which I am making travel series videos. If you don't want to miss these videos on my travel series, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get my video notifications. In this video, I am traveling to explore Anakam Puyal, which is 50 kilometers away from Calicut city, which is located in Kerala. Kerala is known for its natural beauty. On our way, just 5 kilometers away from our destination, we saw this bridge and there is a diversion on left side to go down the bridge. We took that diversion and parked our car and walked for 2 minutes to see this amazing water stream. In our busy city life, it feels so refreshing when we visit calm and beautiful places like this. We spent some time here and then continued our journey via bridge. Look at these beautiful lush green hills. This road journey itself has got awesome views. By seeing this once again I felt, yes, no doubt Kerala is God's own country. Google Maps work only till this church. After that we need to go straight for 2 kilometers to reach the offbeat sightseeing place. Finally, we reached, and I am showing you the surroundings to understand the exact location which can be helpful for the people who want to come here. We need to walk for 5 minutes in this forest area. Don't worry, it is safe. That's my husband who is walking ahead of me. We reached to the waterfalls, one of the viewpoints, but we couldn't witness much water. This video was shot by me in October month of 2020. My husband with his friends have visited this place just a month before when there was lot of water flow. These photos were taken at that time. This wooden bridge is the highlight of this place. When we stand in the midway of the bridge, we can witness the 360-degree view of this place. We need to walk extremely careful on this bridge as there is no proper support. This place looks heavenly with lush green hills, cloudy sky, and water stream. Look at the water flow down the bridge. The gushing sound of this water flow made me to feel so relaxing. This place is an ideal destination to spend our weekend. I feel this place is not so good to come with kids as it has many big slippery rocks. Over there, my husband is searching for a safe spot to have lunch. We brought lunch from our home. Lunch with a beautiful view. What else I can ask for? When I looked down while I am having lunch, I spotted these little cute fishes. We gave them little food and they all came together to have it. Very nice to see that. We came back to church in Anakampuyal to see another viewpoint of same waterfalls. We parked our car near the left turn available before the church and walked for 5 minutes to see the viewpoint. When my husband visited this place last month, he has told me water was till these rocks. If we walk little further, we can see this beautiful waterfall. Now you are seeing big stones here, right? See these photos to know how the same place looked 1 month back with full water flow. Since water flow was less, we walked further to view the place completely. Over there we saw water to be in green color. It's simply amazing. This green water, when it is flowing down, it is looking white. The combination is like a colorful painting. If any one of you are near to Calicut, do visit this place. It's a perfect weekend destination. If you have liked my video, then please do comment, share and subscribe to my channel.